This video guides you through pairing your smartphone with your Mitsubishi ASX I Facelift from 2010 to 2021 via Bluetooth for hands-free calling and audio. Bluetooth allows safer communication while driving. This guide is updated for 2026, covering common issues and solutions. Your Mitsubishi ASX supports Bluetooth 2.0 or higher, with Bluetooth 4.0 available in later models. This ensures compatibility with most modern smartphones. To check compatibility with specific phone brands, refer to this Bluetooth compatibility chart from Alpine Mobile Media Solutions. The ASX uses specific Bluetooth profiles for different functions. HFP handles hands-free calling, A2DP manages high-quality audio streaming, and AVRCP provides remote control capabilities. For example, A2DP enables wireless audio transmission from your phone to the car's speakers, as shown in this system diagram. The Bluetooth logo has evolved over time, from the original design to the current version, representing reliable wireless connectivity. Ensure your smartphone's Bluetooth is compatible. Most modern phones work seamlessly, but older phones may encounter issues due to version differences. First, turn on your car's ignition. Access the infotainment menu and enable Bluetooth, usually under Phone or Settings. On your phone, search for Mitsubishi or ASX Audio in Bluetooth settings. Select the device and enter the PIN if prompted, usually 0000 or 1234. Confirm pairing on both devices. Enable voice dialing and microphone access for hands-free use. Once your smartphone is paired with the Mitsubishi ASX, you can use hands-free features for safe driving. To make calls, press the phone button on the steering wheel or use the touch screen. Say, "Call contact," clearly for voice activation. When a call comes in, your music or audio playback will automatically pause, allowing you to answer safely. For streaming audio, use the car's controls on the touch screen or steering wheel to play, pause, or skip tracks. Ensure your phone's microphone permissions are enabled in settings for the car to recognize your voice commands properly. With these hands-free features, you can stay connected while focusing on the road. Common Bluetooth pairing issues include interference from other wireless devices or radio signals. To resolve this, move away from potential sources of interference or temporarily turn off nearby Bluetooth devices. Another common issue is outdated firmware in the car's infotainment system. For models from 2018 and later, check for firmware updates using Mitsubishi's Connect Plus app to ensure compatibility with your smartphone. If pairing fails, reset Bluetooth on both devices. Turn off Bluetooth on your phone in the car, restart if necessary, then attempt to pair again following the initial steps. For limited features or compatibility issues, consider aftermarket Bluetooth modules from Pioneer or Kenwood. These plug-and-play units cost $50 to $200 and add features like wireless Android Auto or Apple CarPlay, not natively supported in all ASX models. If you're using a newer smartphone like iOS 18 or Android 15, compatibility issues might arise with the ASX's older Bluetooth system. Check user forums such as the Mitsubishi Owners Club or Reddit's r/Mitsubishi for solutions and specific app recommendations to bypass firmware limitations. Codec mismatches can also cause audio quality problems. While Bluetooth is becoming less common in newer cars in favor of 5G and Wi-Fi Direct, it remains essential for legacy vehicles like the ASX. Keep your system updated and consider aftermarket options to extend its functionality. If problems persist, professional diagnostics are recommended.